Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto OnChain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. Exciting updates, $PAWS token giveaway and listing details. The Paws community is buzzing with excitement as they roll out a massive pre-listing giveaway for the $PAWS token. Shared through their official Twitter account, this event is designed to reward early supporters and attract new members to the community ahead of the token's big debut. $PAWS pre-listing giveaway. Grab your share. The Paws community is offering a whopping $10 million DOGS tokens to early participants in a limited time giveaway. Here's what you need to know. What's up for grabs? A generous $10 million DOGS tokens will be distributed to lucky participants. Who can join? Only the first 10,000 participants who interact with the official giveaway tweet can claim their share, so act fast. Why this matters? The giveaway isn't just about rewards. It's a way to get the community involved, spread awareness about $PAWS, and build excitement ahead of the official listing. This is your chance to join a growing movement and secure some tokens before $PAWS hits the big leagues. When will $PAWS be listed? Mark your calendars. The much-anticipated $PAWS listing on Binance is rumored to happen on December 30th, according to updates from the Paws community and Blum Talk community. The timing aligns with the conclusion of the Paws farming season, which is also wrapping up in December. While the exact date for farming's end hasn't been confirmed, now is the time to make the most of your farming rewards. What is the Paws farming season? The Paws farming season has been a huge hit, allowing participants to earn $PAWS tokens by actively farming within the community. This vibrant period has given users the chance to earn substantial rewards, built strong engagement among members, paved the way for the token's exciting future milestones. With farming coming to a close and a listing on the horizon, the Paws community is looking forward to celebrating these achievements together. Why the Paws community is thriving. The Paws community isn't just about tokens, it's about people. Active, engaged, and united by a shared vision, the community plays a huge role in the success of $PAWS. Here's how. Active engagement. Regular events and initiatives like the giveaway keep members involved. Smart strategy. Combining farming rewards, community interaction, and marketing ensures a solid base of token holders. Optimism for the future. With the potential Binance listing, the community is excited about what's next for $PAWS. What's next for $PAWS? As the December 30th listing date approaches, the excitement continues to build. Here's what you can do to stay ahead. Participate in the giveaway. Secure your share of $10 million DOGS tokens before slots run out. Maximize farming rewards. Make the most of the final days of the Paws farming season. Stay connected. Follow the Paws community on social media for updates and announcements. Conclusion. The Paws community is on the brink of something big, and now's the perfect time to get involved. Whether it's through farming, the giveaway, or simply staying engaged, you have the chance to be part of an exciting journey with $PAWS. Don't miss out. Join the movement, secure your rewards, and get ready to celebrate when $PAWS makes its mark on Binance this December.